Finding the best laptops for Solidworks can sometimes be a little tricky if you haven't done the proper survey and read authentic reviews about specific laptops that claim to have the best processor for Solidworks. In this article, you will get the most authentic list of laptops that are best suited for using Solidworks without any error. We've listed down the top 3 best laptops for Solidworks and their key features, plus the things to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are available in the description. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, blumoo.com. Number 3. Asus ROG Strix GL703GM. Asus is one of the most popular laptop brands, which makes the heavy-duty laptops for various purposes. This model from Asus is perfect for running SolidWorks and other resource-intensive tasks like gaming or video editing. It comes with a 6-core Intel Core i7-8750H processor, which gives it the ultimate power to handle every task smoothly. If you're the kind of person who multitasks while working on SolidWorks, then you definitely need decent RAM. With this model of the Asus ROG Strix, you get 16GB of DDR4 RAM, which gives you an adequate performance with RAM-hungry applications like Google Chrome and so on. It's an obvious fact that you can expect a 17.3-inch laptop to be a little heavy, but surprisingly, this laptop weighs around 6.5 pounds, which seems to be fine with this size laptop. Overall, it's one of the best laptops for SolidWorks that one can buy. Number 2. Dell Precision M7730. It comes with an elegant 17.3-inch ultra-sharp FHD display, which offers the perfect combination of vivid colors and intensity. SolidWorks involves a lot of work that needs to be done precisely. Having a good display is always a positive point. Talking about the graphics card, the laptop comes with an NVIDIA Quadro P3200 6GB graphics card, which is sufficient to handle all the graphic-intensive processes. When you use SolidWorks, you use methods like extruding and lofting to produce a solid shape. The laptop is capable enough to let you create complex shapes and export them easily without facing any lagging issues. Also, the Dell Precision M7730 does not come with a backlit keyboard. Number 1. Lenovo Thinkpad P73. Lenovo is definitely a renowned brand when it comes to making a laptop for everyday use. Whether you need a laptop for college or for playing games, there's a strong probability that Lenovo has one for you. The laptop, which possesses spot number 3 on our list, comes with Quadro graphics and a fingerprint reader. The laptop sports 9th generation Intel i7-9750H processor, which delivers dynamic power and also contributes to the high efficiency of the laptop. To quickly render all the images, the laptop comes with NVIDIA Quadro P620 graphics card, which is driven by 4GB dedicated video memory. The Quadro series is the recommended one for running SolidWorks. The ultra-fast GPU enables us to easily create 2D and 3D models. Overall, with a weight of near about 7.5 pounds and a battery life of approximately 7 hours, the laptop is not portable. With a big screen and a heavy weight, you cannot likely carry it to places inside a bag or sleeves. Did this video help you find what you were looking for? If so, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Have a good day!